Hi guys, it's Lily again. Today we're gonna make Christmas cookies. First we need is 200 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, and 1 egg yolk, and some melted butter, 100 grams, and then a drop of vanilla. Okay, first we need is we get the egg yolk and the sugar. We pour the egg yolk into the bowl here. Okay, we put that to the side. Now we get the sugar. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Okay, that was messy. Okay, now we need we're gonna pass this over the flour, then we're gonna pass butter over. We're gonna pour the butter in. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Okay, now we're gonna put the flour in. Okay, we're gonna put the mixer to the side, and we're gonna use and finish it with a fork. And don't forget to put the vanilla in. Okay, now we're going to put a little bit of the vanilla, tiny drop. Flip this over and put it on the tray. Okay, now we're going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, we're going to put this, we're going to take it out of there, and then we're going to put it on this piece of paper. Okay, now okay, now I'm going to show you my shape. This is the snowman. This is the Christmas tree. This is the love heart. This is the star. This is Santa. And this is the moon. Okay, first we're going to do the snowman. Make sure you put on the sharp bit. Don't have that much shape, so you can just use them over again. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle them on the other one. If it goes everywhere and you don't want to use just shake it, you can use your hands to do it. Wait. Okay, I'm done my cookies. Now we're gonna put them in the oven for 10 minutes and then you're gonna check if they're just silver.